Good morning, boys. I hope you have finished writing and understood. First of all, understood how to write ma. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. This complete line. Pa, you have to be very careful. Never touch the talakattu. Talakattu will be away. Even for pha, it will be like that. Now ba doesn't have any talakattu, whereas bha will be having talakattu attached and a small single line in the middle of the curve. You will understand later why I am being so specific about talakattu being touched and not touched. Why? Because with that difference, the complete alphabet will change. Suppose if the talakattu is touching, it will be one alphabet. If it's not touching and with minor changes, it will be some other alphabet. So while learning itself, I want you to learn it properly and correctly and understand and memorize that. And how will you memorize? By writing more number of times. By listening just once, no one can get it. No. The more number of times you practice, the more number of times you write, the more number of times you read. That's how you have to learn and you will never forget it. Okay. Now for ma, small circle, talakattu above the circle and a small curve. You'll understand now why I am being so specific about this alphabet of circle small and talakattu will be above the circle. Now let us go for the next line. Next line of alphabets or next set of alphabets. Yes. Next alphabet is Ya. And you know how to write Ya? Let me show you. You will write circle. You will write circle as bigger one, curve up, and talakattu will be away from the circle, small curve. Now did you understand? Ma is very similar, same circle, talakattu and curve, but how much big you write or the size of the circle and the placement of the talakattu will make the difference. And this you have to be very careful because these two alphabets, particularly ma, is very frequently used in Telugu. Okay. Now let me write one more time. Circle big, curve up, talakattu away from the circle and curve up. This is Ya. What is this? Ya. Now for the wrong ones. This is wrong. Why? Because this doesn't make any sense. If circle is small, talakattu should be above, then it will be ma. If circle is big, talakattu away, it will be Ya. But this is completely wrong. A very wrong way to write Ya. Okay? What about this? What do you think? Is this correct or wrong? This is wrong. Why? Because circle is big. Okay, first part is correct. But what about the second one? This talakattu should not be above it. This is wrong. Okay, so only and only correct way is for writing Ya, circle big, curve up. You'll stop here, write talakattu and this one. This is Ya. Okay, now next alphabet is Ra. This is very easy. A circle and you will write here. This is Ra. Okay. Let me write one more time. Circle, talakattu. Now for the wrong ones, very few chances for you to write this as wrong. If you don't join, it is wrong. And if you write this correct, this is correct. But do you remember, you have learned one more alphabet like this. Which alphabet is that? Do you remember? This is Tha. That alphabet is Tha, which will come here. See? Ta, ta and Tha. Without that, it will be Ra. If you put a dot in the middle, it will become Tha. See? Such a minor difference. And the alphabet will be completely different. The alphabet is changed. Right? So you have to be very extra vigilant while writing. This is wrong. Why? Because this is Tha and this is Ra. Are both same? No. Only the dot is the one which is making difference. Okay? Now this is Ya and this is Ra. Next one is La. This one is La. Very easy, right? Let me show one more time. A small circle, close it, come down and curve up. This is La. Now for the wrong ones. This is wrong. Both should be at the same level. Okay? What is this? Very first alphabet which you have learned. A means if you stop it here, it will be La. If you bring it down and make a small half circle and a small line or just half circle, something, if you add anything to this, this will become another alphabet. A. Right? So this is not, this alphabet is different and this is different. This is how you have to write. This one is wrong here. Okay? So let me write one more time the correct one. It's very easy. La. Okay. This is similar to this one in Hindi. Okay. Now, only for Telugu you have one more alphabet which you don't have in the Hindi alphabets. Let me show. This is a bit tough. So you look at it carefully. Talakattu join. Okay. This is somewhat like you start here with a circle, come down like 8. For 8 you write like this, right? So at the starting you will make a small circle, come down, go up and join the talakattu. This is Ala. Touch your tongue to the top of your mouth. Ala. This one is La. This one is Ala. Do you understand? Are you hearing? Are you able to hear? Touch your tongue to the top of your mouth and then you have to spell this. Ala. Okay? This one is Ala. Let me write one more time. A small circle similar to 8. You'll write and you will put it like this. Now for the wrong ones. Do you think this is correct? No. Why? Because it has to be closed here. This one is wrong. One more thing is it can't be this up. They both have to be at the same level. So this one is wrong. Let me show you one more time for the correct one. Okay, this one is ala. Now for the fifth alphabet, the last alphabet for today, it is small circle. You will write like this. Is it looking like something similar? Yes, you will go up. Okay, this is va. This alphabet is va. This is how it sounds. A small circle, go up almost till like that, and if you put a curve, it will become ma. If you don't touch the alphabet, the talakattu will not touch, it will become pa. See, this is wrong. That is why I told similar. If you just pull it a little bit and attach to this will become va. So for means for writing pa, if you write, it will become va. You have to be very careful for these two alphabets. Okay. Now one more is something like this. Some children write the talakattu away. Then it will become, it won't become ya, but it will become wrong. It's wrong. You have to write the talakattu on the head. Okay, let me write one more time. Va. This one is alphabet va. Okay, children, practice these alphabets and write down in the notebook as usual. You will divide the page into 5 columns and write ya, ra, la, ala and va. Okay, thank you.